How to create your own avatar on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create your own avatar on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. Firstly, go to your Instagram, go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting and click on account. Scroll down and click on avatar. Now you can create a personalized avatar with click on get started. And now choose you can, for example, let's choose the first one, for example next, and choose the first one again and done, and keep doing this. Face, mouth, eyebrows. Now, and this is it until the end, and click on done. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.